Hey, good morning, guys. Miss Steele here. I hope everybody had a great Monday and got your stuff for this week. A week at the beach. If only it was a real beach. It's okay. All right, so our current event, there is a drive-in concert, and it's actually on the news. I just saw a little bit ago. So, an entertainment company announced drive-in concerts. The concerts will be in Nashville, Tennessee, Maryland Heights, Missouri, and Noblesville, Indiana. The concerts will be July 10th through the 12th. Famous singers including Brad Paisley will perform. And they were just saying there will be a few other country artists, and Nelly will be there, and John Party, I think. They just said it and I don't remember. But the concerts will be in parking lots. People will park their cars in the parking lots. Singers will perform on the stages near the parking lots. People can bring food, drinks, and chairs. So it does sound like it's going to be a lot like a drive-in movie where you're just there at your car. You hang out at your car and you can bring your stuff to kind of make your own little picnic thing. Also, this is Garth Brooks is doing this too at different drive-in movie theaters. So very, very cool. So sounds lots of fun. All right, today, whoo, loud. Check that volume. All right, yesterday was Monday, so today is Tuesday. And it is still June. All right, yesterday was the 22nd. We go one more. And it is the 23rd. So it is June 23rd, 2020. All right, today it is supposed to be sunny, and it's actually supposed to be like gorgeous out, like a high of 80, not like what we've been, like the low 90s. They said it's supposed to be a beautiful day, but it's still hot on that scale. So get outside. It's supposed to be awesome out today. All right, it's National Pink Day, so celebrating the color pink and all that it represents and the fun, and I love pink, so this is like totally my day. It's also National Hydration Day. This is reminding us summer, the beginning day of summer technically was this past weekend. But this is reminding us that it is hot out, it's steamy, you're sweating. Make sure you're drinking water and hydrating and taking care of yourself. And then there's also National Pecan Sandies Day. This is a type of cookie with pecans in it. I'm not a fan, but some people like them. Just give it a try. But there's what days it is today. And on this day in history, in 1894, so like 125-ish years ago, the International Olympic Committee was founded. And this is the people in charge of like making sure the Olympics go without a hitch and they work and everything works out great. In 1950, the Yankees and Tigers combined for a total of 11 home runs in a single baseball game. Gonna have to look this one up because I didn't know this. It's very exciting for a baseball family. In 1989, the movie Batman is released. They were just talking about this on the news too, on who your favorite Batman is, because there's lots of these Batman movies, a lot. And there's been tons of different actors that have played Batman, and they were discussing who your favorite was. I don't know if I have a favorite. And then in 1991, Sonic the Hedgehog video game is first released. Now, I remember playing this and my brother playing this as a kid. He's a speedy little hedgehog, and he rolls in a ball and collects coins and would run all through these obstacles. But it was like, how fast can you get through the whole thing and collect the coins? So that was in 1991.